circles and figure eights with shoulders. Stand in neutral. Straighten your shoulders. Raise your shoulder. There should be a feeling that only the joint is raised upwards, not completely with the collarbone, but exactly the joint. Up. Forward. Push forward. Raise up. Push forward. Neutral. Back. Up. Forward. Neutral. Back. Put your hand near your shoulder so that you feel that you are moving exactly with the joint. Up. Forward. Neutral. Back. And the same in the other direction. Start. Up. Back. Neutral. Forward. And connect smoothly. Back. Neutral. Forward. Figure 8. Start up and dive in the same way, drawing a figure 8. Down, up, down, with slides in this plane. Let's try the other shoulder. Up, forward, neutral, back. Up, back, neutral, forward. And figure 8. Down. Back, forward, down. Down, forward. Up, back. Down, forward. Down, back. Forward, up. And draw a figure 8.